Hello and welcome to another episode of the Electric Norwegian. I'm Mats. So I had the Model 3 now for a few months, and well, it has no stalks and we have roundabouts. So I thought before the sun goes down, let's have a short trip and see how I learn to deal with that, shall we? And while we're here, let's see, new car, an old car. Same but different. Yes, so let's unplug and get going. As you can see, the automatic gearing, it works very well. You have an indicator here. The top one is to the right, the bottom one is to the left. So it's sort of natural in that way. But of course, they're fixed, so they move about. Now they're in a different place, for instance. It's very confusing. This it can be very confusing. So of course the self-console, that part of the automation is fantastic. The way they've calibrated them to self-console when you exit a corner and also when you change lanes. That's just fabulous. Just activate the indicators. So far so normal. Of course, well, we have three roundabouts in a line here, so let's go over here, shall we? Okay, this is easy. Alright. And then we have this one. And then we indicate out. You see, you can hold here. The steering wheel is so small and the steering rack is so quick that you don't necessarily have to move your hand very much. And here, let's go around and back. Maybe let's not do that. It's a bit more difficult. Let me indicate there, right? Now, it's upside down. Now what do you do? You indicate out again. Because when these are 180 degrees, what was left becomes right. So, like on here, it works fine. It just it doesn't self-console because I'm blinking the wrong. See, it can do mistakes. It does happen. Not very often, but it does happen. Because on the motorway, as I was saying, most of the time it works just fine, and it self-console itself. So it's not really an issue. You can just sit here, you can change lanes, not a big problem. And also you have this little tab, indent in between them, so you can have the upper and the lower, and it all works rather well. Like I said, most of the time. Sometimes I do mistakes, not very often, but it does happen now from time to time. Hello, old Tesla. But now you see, and then we go here again, and that's now out. So you have like bottom, okay, and then bottom again, and so it's not really difficult. It's just once you realize that it's rather simple. This is such a quick car. Just. And it's the cheapest car they make for the time being, anyway. It's wonderful, really. The efficiency of this thing and the power of it, and all the standard equipment you get. And of course, you have to live with the fact that there is no stocks in it. But that's life sometimes, I'm afraid. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, I do hope maybe you got something out of it. Just a short one. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and all that stuff. And take care, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye.